YouTube! Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish, back with another one. Y'all seen by that title? I'm just currently speculating right now. I don't know what's about to happen. If y'all watched my last video, then y'all know what transpired. I woke up early and everything. I had 2 loads, and I still was not able to deliver my second load. I ended up standing at that dock. Like, I wound up spending way too much time at that dock trying to get loaded. For my second load, I stayed at that dock for like 2 hours when it shouldn't have never took that long, and that messed up my time getting back out here. Like that shipper I was supposed to deliver to, bro, they closed early at like 3:30. Oh no, they want all the drivers there before a certain time so that they can get off work early. So like they close at 4. They want all the drivers there at 3:15 to have all the trailers there, so that way they can be unloaded. Like, that gives them enough time to unload and go home exactly at 4. And so I wasn't able to deliver my load yesterday, and yesterday was a cool day. But first, it started off with me getting a dang on a message from my driver leader like, hey, you got a driver cam, check your phone, we can discuss it. So I'm like, okay, cool. I check my phone, I'm looking for the driver cam. There's no driver cam. So I called her and I'm like, hey, you said I had a driver cam. Like, you said I had a driver cam. She was like, yeah, I need you to go to the terminal to fill out paperwork. And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, bro, what? I'm like, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm like, okay, yes, ma'am. And then, bro, she was making the scene, bro. Like, bro, the way her tone and everything she was talking yesterday, it sounded so bad, bro. Like, it sounded like it sounded like I'm about to get fired. That's why the title was like this, because of her tone and the way she was speaking. And so I asked her, I'm like, is it something bad? Like, did I do something bad in this cam that's like to where I gotta go in there and fill out paperwork? She's like, just go to the terminal and let me know when you're there and fill out paperwork. So I'm like, okay, bro. She like, it gotta be something bad. But then she wound up saying like in the cam, I wound up swerving out of my lane to avoid a box, which I remember this to a full extent. Like, I remember exactly what I did. And honestly, I don't even know, like, it really could have been avoided on why I swerved like that. But I was generally like, when I was driving, I seen it coming up, but I swerved too hard. Like, I stayed, like, it wasn't directly inside my lane. It was in my lane, but like, it was like off to the side of my lane. And so I stayed in my lane instead of making a lane change, basically. All I did, like, I swerved off to the shoulder and I swerved back into my lane. And if that's what I recall until I go in here and I see this video footage. But yeah, that's what she was saying that the video footage is about. And so in my head, it's like, normally when I get dash cams or something like that, it's always through the phone and I get to see the video, or they see me the video on my phone and all that, and I normally show y'all. But coming to the terminal to sit down with somebody and fill out paperwork, that just sounds bad. And honestly, I really ain't prepared to get fired, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, if I get fired, this should be my first time ever getting fired from a job, bro. Cause I'm like, I am generally a hard ass worker and I take my job very seriously. So for me to get fired, if I get fired today, that'd be wild, bro. Like, that'd be so wild, bro. But it's like, I just know my intuition, bro. My intuition never steered me the wrong way, bro. Literally. Like, every time I thought something bad was gonna happen or something, it was always bad. So today would be the day I'm gonna find out if my intuition steers me the wrong way, because that's just a thought that I have. And I'm currently pulling up to the terminal right now. So I'm about to go in here and see what this paperwork about, because not only did she tell me to come to the terminal, but yesterday I had loads under me. Like, she wanted me to deliver this load at 8 o'clock in the morning, which I was gonna do. She wound up texting back. She was like, never mind. I took off the load. She took every other load off of me, bro. Every other load I had, she took off of me. And she was like, just go to the terminal. So yeah, that right there was like strike 2 for me. Like, okay, you taking on my loads too. I'm most definitely getting in trouble, or I'm getting fired, bro. Like, because nobody's just gonna take them loads like that. Like, you ain't gonna take those loads knowing that we short in the fleet, or we don't have everybody in the fleet to cover loads. There's no way. And then she just sent out a message in the point out about drivers, like how everybody got their loads delivered except for like a couple of us drivers. Cause some of us, like it was like 2 or 3 other Swift drivers at that dock when I left that was still getting loaded. So I know for a fact they ain't make their delivery too, cause I didn't make mine. And I was one of the closest ones to that dang on final. But anyway, man, let me park. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on after this and see what she say. All right, man. So I just got off the phone with my driver leader, bro. Bro, she just told me to go see the safety and the terminal leader. Like, she just said their names, and I most definitely know the safety and the terminal leader name. Like, I know both of their names. Like, I know both of their names by heart. I'm like, bro, if I ever got to see them, I know it's something bad or it's just not gonna go good. She just told me I gotta go see both of them, bro. So when you gotta see them, I got on the same time. Let me put on a shirt. Like, I gotta look professional. I gotta get this right, bro, because I can't afford to get fired, dog. That's crazy, bro. Hold on, let's go in here and let's see. Like, bro, it'd be crazy, bro, because I'm doing all this speculation and don't even get fired. It's just a thought of getting fired, bro, that I'm like really like terrified about. I ain't gonna lie. Let me put on another shirt and let's go in there, and I will let y'all know what happens when I come back inside the truck. All right, man. So y'all can see I'm in my truck, and it's not good, bro. I told y'all literally, like I told y'all, my intuition never steers me the wrong way. I got here to the terminal. I called my driver leader. She was like, go in there and see Danielle. I'm saying names now because it don't even matter no more. I already done got let go. Like, I'm just saying their names. She told me to go in there and go see her. Mind y'all, if you ever come to Swift and you working out of the Houston terminal, you hear her name, that's just never good. She is the fleet manager. She's the fleet manager. She's safety. She all of that. She the one that you don't want to see when something going bad. So when I heard her name, I'm like, ooh, that's not good. So I get in there. I go in there thinking it's about the driver cam footage because she told me I had a driver cam. I go in there, they close the door, and she's like, she called my driver leader. She put on the group me. No, yeah, the group me or whatever, or Teams, whatever. She called her, and then she's like, hey, good morning. We know that you post YouTube videos. We love your YouTube videos, by the way. It's no issue with you recording what you're doing, but we have to let you go because somebody reported you for recording while driving. And in there, I was like, I took it like a G. I was like, yes, ma'am. Took it like a G. And she was like, so, yeah, we just gotta let you go. And she got off the phone. She get off the phone, then the safety manager was like, she was talking to me too. She was like, yeah, we actually love your videos. You just like, we love your videos. We've been getting drivers coming here for the past like 3 months, mentioning your name, saying your channel. Like, we actually love your videos, but unfortunately, we have a no recording policy, a no driver recording policy. I should have asked her like, what video are they talking about that got me fired? But honestly, bro, they can be talking about anything, because y'all know I do POV footage on my POV channel where I was recording behind the wheel with my GoPro. I was doing footage like that, and then I have footage on my channel where when I first started off, I would be at docks recording, and I would have my camera recording while I'm backing. And then just recently, I've been going live at the docks. I mean, like, I've been going live with the shippers, recording it live. So I really think it's my live that been getting me hemmed up, because, bro, it's been 3 months, bro. It's been 3 months, really longer than that. It's been almost 4 months of me posting every single day, driving these trucks where I've been recording, bro. And if y'all been watching my videos, y'all been seeing this. Y'all haven't been saying anything to me. And they say somebody reporting me, bro, that is wicked, bro, because I already been getting a lot of hate on my YouTube videos about people telling me I'm not gonna make it as a trucker, like saying all type of crazy stuff. So for me to get reported, that is just wild, bro. Like, that is a different level type of hate to me, bro. I'm calling that hate, because you to report me, bro, to watch me watch all my videos and report me, bro, is wicked. But I'm cleaning out my truck. So I'm about to clean out my truck, and then I'm about to leave out of here. That's gonna pretty much conclude this video. If y'all new to the channel, Make sure I leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I put in some comment, like some ideas on what company I should go to next. I already got some ideas in my mind where I'm gonna go. It's gonna be a little minute before I go there, but drop it in the comments. And with that being said, I love y'all. Your boy Fish out. Peace.
They keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out-rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keep bending flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be cheating, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switch up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pill like a sword when it's time to be used. I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' face my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters, cause Nova my clan. I get so high, I don't know where to land. If you think you better, you don't stand a chance. They don't get bigger pictures, they minds can't expand. Only fear God in me that despises who I am. Fuck all the critics and haters.